talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
What the fuck's that fucking noise, bro? Shut the fuck up. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. Damn, it's been a minute since I've said that. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you know who I am, you know I used to make checkout videos for Supreme and Palace. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. I make checkout videos for Supreme and Palace. Actually, not Palace. I haven't bought anything for Palace in a really long time. But I used to. Yeah, welcome to my channel again. Now, if you know who I am, and if you are wondering where I've been, I pretty much stopped making videos because I stopped buying things from Supreme. That's really the only reason why. I kind of lost interest, and I wasn't really buying stuff consistently enough for me to continue making videos. But I figured I kind of missed it. Well, I didn't figure that, but I did kind of miss it. And also, some people were commenting on my channel, saying that they kind of missed my videos or whatever. So that was really nice of those people to comment that. Yeah, I did miss this. I didn't make a video all of 2019, which is really crazy to think that it's been that long. But yeah, hopefully some people are still subscribed. Hopefully you still want to watch these videos, because I'm very excited to continue making them. On a serious note though, it's really late, so like that's why I'm talking so soft. But yeah, I'm trying out something new. Hopefully things go a lot better this time. It is the day before the drop, and I'm recording this intro, so maybe this time I'll be more organized. I know in the past I was kind of just like all over the place and just messy and whatever. So that was also another reason why I stopped, because I felt like a lot of people were making better videos than me. So I was like, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, enough of that. That was an intro, kind of whatever. Week 2, spring summer 2020. I did buy something last drop. I didn't record it. I wasn't at home. But yeah, I'm recording this one, and I'm going for the Air Force Ones, obviously. Now, Supreme did say that they are going to be restocking this throughout the season. Well, actually, they said throughout different seasons, so I'm not really sure what that means, if they're even going to continue doing that or whatever. But yeah. Now, right now, it is reselling for, I think, definitely over 200. I don't really know, but that's because people are pretty much just impatient. They don't want to wait for the shoe to come out, because they don't really know. Nobody knows how much stock they're gonna have. So I do think they are going to resell for at least double the amount they retail for right off the bat. Obviously, as they get restocked, that's gonna go down, but people just don't want to wait, so they're still gonna buy the shoe for resale. So that's what I'm going for. I might resell it, might keep it. I have to see it in person. Obviously, it's just an Air Force One with Supreme on the side, but you know, I like Air Force Ones. But yeah, here we are. Like I said, this is an intro prior to the drop. So I will actually continue this in the morning right before the drop. So I got about 12 hours. If I sleep now, I don't know, I'm not gonna sleep now. Yeah, that's kind of it. I don't really know where I went with this intro, but if you clicked on this video, thank you. I appreciate it. Hopefully, people that are subscribed still fuck with me. They still want to see more of my content. And before I finish this little intro, one more thing. I am starting a new Instagram page where I will be selling some items, Supreme or whatever else I have, other brands and whatnot. So it's gonna be in the description. Follow that if you want. I will probably give like discounts to people that are subscribed to me. So obviously not a lot, because I still have to make money, but maybe like $5 or $10 depending on what it is. But yeah, if you want to follow that, I will be updating that very soon. I just made the profile a little bit ago, so I have to kind of sort through all my items to see what I want to let go. But yeah, like I said, that'll be in the description below. I appreciate all of you guys for watching. I hope you like this checkout video. I hope I get the shoes. I really do, because in the past I would usually get a lot of the things I wanted, and then more people like Supreme, and then I don't know, the website just kind of just became messier and messier, and it's just not a fun experience. But I think that was enough talking for me today. See you guys hopefully after. No, I will see you guys, but hopefully I get the shoes. Talk to you guys then. Love you all. Peace. What's good, everybody? We're back. 1 minute left for the drop, but Good thing I already recorded my intro. And I'm ready. Going for the Air Force Ones. I was checking the Supreme subreddit, and I believe they did sell out very fast. But they will get restocked throughout the season, and they will also be available on Nike.com. I believe this upcoming weekend. That's usually how these drops go. So anytime Nike and Supreme do a collaboration on any sneakers or whatever, they're usually available the following weekend on Nike. So yeah, hopefully this goes well. Oh shit, this should have dropped already. I don't see the shoes tab yet. I don't see it yet. I don't see it yet. There it is, shoes. And it's gone. Shoes. Okay. There, I see the tab, but it's not letting me click on it. I'm just going back and forth. There it is. It took literally forever to be available. Okay. Come on. Damn. I don't know what that was, but it doesn't look like it's letting me go to checkout. What the hell? They're in my cart. I am not able to check out, it looks like. Fucking bitch, man. Same shit every single time, bro. Every single time. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I really don't know what I could do at this point. Check out now. Yeah, it's not letting me go to check out. Well, I'm on my phone here. I'm doing everything manual, so this is gonna be pretty bad. I got a new phone too, cause like, fuck. So usually when you buy something from the Supreme app, it saves your information, but obviously not if you get a fucking new phone. And then so I'm on the checkout screen on my phone, which never happens because usually you don't even see the fucking checkout button. But I don't really know what to do. So it declined. That's super fucked up. No internet connection. Oh, bro, I hate this fucking site. This is also why I stopped making videos, because the site just kind of went to trash. Literally, like, it doesn't. Bro, I don't even know what to do at this point. Like, what am I supposed to do? This is the app. Don't know what the fuck to do. See, yeah, it's fucked. I don't know, man. Am I the only one that's going through this? I don't think so, but it feels like it. It took forever to even get to this screen, and no, I just got kicked out. Got kicked out right after pressing process payment. I doubt these are still available. It's 4 minutes past the drop. That's just fun, man. That's how it goes. Yeah, so they're sold out, obviously, because, of course, and they're still on my cart for some fucking reason. Yeah, these are fucking gone, man. Fucking hate these. Come on. Fucking serious. Yeah, sold out. Okay, that was very disappointing. Usually when this happens, they restock, so I'm gonna sit here for a minute, and then hopefully I'm able to, I don't know, somehow get something or make something work. But yeah, I'm gonna chill here for a minute. If I do manage to copy, you'll see that. If not, I'll just cut towards like the closing part of the video. But yeah. Alright, so it's 9:32 now, and I've pretty much given up all hope. I'm a little disappointed. I wanted my first video back to be like a W, but unfortunately we weren't able to buy the shoe. As you can see here, I feel like, I don't know if they're restocking really, or if the bots are getting them right away, but it's 9:32. I mean, it shows up a size here, but it doesn't let me add to cart or anything. But yeah, at this point, I really don't know how many people are actually buying them that are checking out manual. I don't know if it's just all the bots or whatever, but it's a little disappointing. Hopefully something happens and the site gets a little better, because I don't know how much they can do due to the fact that so many people are visiting the site at this time, so it kind of just causes all these issues. So yeah, we weren't able to get the shoes today, unfortunately, so no W. But hopefully I have better luck next time. Hopefully some good items released next drop, because I do want to make more videos. But yeah, let me know if you got the shoes. Let me know what you did to get the shoes, if you did buy them. Hopefully we can come up with like a method that works for everybody, maybe using a different browser or a phone method, or I don't know, just some way to get or to increase your chances. So if you were able to buy, just let me know what you did or how you got them, or just whatever. Because pretty much the main issues I'm seeing is when you click checkout, it takes you back to the home screen, or to the, I guess whatever the home page for Supreme is. Those little brackets in the corner that showed up, card declines, or just not seeing the checkout button, or just all these things. So yeah, if you were able to get them, let me know what you did. But that's all for today's video. Unfortunately, we didn't get them, which bums me out. But hopefully you guys still enjoyed. It's gonna be back, and I'll see you guys on next week's drop. Peace.